Hey, cat! Look, kill you with just follow me. Trust him. Catch is answer for you. I need help. Help. A cowboy. I'm sure. Again, cat. When you get out here, I will get kind of Winner's house. What's the difference? Your balls. Not yet, a ball. It's just join the clear. No food. With some clean in the houses. We are not space witcher. Testing toy. You want a toy. Well, anyway, man, change yours right. You not know what a space witcher. You're right. No, he is. What? Corner how? You not in a space witcher, pal. This is a coldest toy. Your ear's toy. The wiring old man. Why? Look at you. You're a handsome cat. You may have meet you. You guys need to talk. Talk. Your hammer was loosing. You are a cool toy. It's actually you too cool. I mean, to watch out what's anyone is calling the actual thing. Wait a second. Why are you I putting me? You just scared you. I know this is a lacking. Oh, cat. I hope this is okay. Oh, it's funny. Where is it all happened? Talk. I can see the front. Well, you can't talk. Yeah. I want to hear talking to you. Yours? Okay, you don't know how to talk to you. He's all about fucking skin of the space waiter. And what you want to do? He's not listen. You put a button is. No, look. I don't care if I eat you. Use the button up on it. You are a toy. It's a wonder of some classes. No. Sorry, guys. You be a castle. No more thinking. No more thinking. No.